Good medical morning. This is Watson with another pop-tacular pimple-popping medical video. Before we get started, can you identify this set of medical images? Leave a comment below if you know what happened here. As a hint, the photo is a selfie taken by a seasoned US police veteran. Now let's take a look at some of my favorite pimple pops from Instagram, Reddit, and YouTube. While I do so, let me tell you why you should subscribe to this page. Mr. Blackhead and I bring you videos several times a week. Our goal is to bring you succinct, educational videos about a variety of topics. We have bizarre medical case studies, videos that explain the differences between things like open and closed comedones, and surgical procedures from some of the best doctors. Our fans are some of the smartest around: doctors, nurses, PAs, and even Dr. Mom. So we try to bring you entertaining clips that can be discussed at a high level. So what was the original clip? It was submitted by an emergency technician. The seasoned police officer accidentally shot a taser gun into his own hand. He removed it with some lidocaine and a Gerber tool. Wow, nice. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand-inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.